Hello guys, and in today's video we're going to learn what is MIT App Inventor, and how do we use it. First up, what is well, first up, sorry, who made MIT App Inventor? Professor of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Hal Abelson was the one who made MIT an App Inventor. It was launched in 2010 by courseware opinion. It was also led by Mark Friedman. Fun fact: do you know that Mark Friedman is a Canadian professional ice hockey man? That's cool, isn't it? Hal Abelson thought that p- children are still people, so why don't we make an app where children can code very easily without JavaScript or VS Code or all those kind of complicated stuff? So that's Hal Abelson. Next, what is MIT App Inventor? MIT App Inventor is a web based platform that allows users to create Android mobile apps without extensive programming knowledge. Developed by MIT, it makes app development accessible to everyone, including those without coding experience. So, this means that MIT helps young kids or any age to code without all those hard stuff, like I said before. And you can also use it on your phone. Even if it's not Android, you can still download MIT AI2 Companion. You just scan it with your phone, scan the QR code or write the QR code. Then you can test the code on your phone, and then you can fix it if there's anything wrong. So, next up, how do we use MIT Inventor anyway? First up, you have to set up your phone or tablet for live testing or start emulator if you don't have a mobile device. Explore the App Inventor environment by exploring the designer and block editor. Jump in and get started programming by trying out their tutorials. Package your apps and send it with your friends. So what I'm trying to say here is that so you can try it on your phone or you can use the emulator. So then you can have a look at the designer and blocks editor. Then you can go right in and then try the tutorials on your website. I'll leave the website link in the description below. Then you can just send it to your friends or family. And now the summary. So here's the summary. MIT helps people create Android apps without programming knowledge. Developed by Hal Abelson and Fred Mack in 2010, it makes technology accessible to everyone. Set up your device for live testing or use an emulator. Explore the design and blocks editor. And try the beginner tutorials. Once you finish your app, you can package it and share it with your friends. So that's just to say that it was made by Hal Abelson and led by Mark Friedman in 2010. And now it makes technology accessible to anyone. So just because of these two people and a great team, it helped young kids start to design, make their own websites, and it's amazing. And they even let you go on your phone. I don't think any other code editor can use that because the one I've used in the past before I used MIT App Inventor, they didn't really let me. I just had to right click, share it, and I couldn't even test it on my phone. So it makes things a lot easier. Plus, I had to host it like I had to put it in a website, try and send it, and 99% of the time, I promise you, it will say error. And that's the most annoying thing. But MIT says we don't want to do that. We just want them to scan or write something in so that they can test it without anything being complicated. So now we end the video here. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!